Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing an interesting brownie recipe made with sweet potato. These are no egg, no sugar, no flour, air fried fudge sweet potato brownies. This recipe is very simple, made with just 4 ingredients, yet it is incredibly tasty. If you love chocolate brownies, you will definitely love these fudgy sweet potato brownies. So let's get into the recipe now. First, cook the sweet potato by either steaming or boiling it in water until it becomes soft. Allow it to cool completely, then peel off the skin. For this recipe, we will be using just one sweet potato. Add the cooked sweet potato to a blender. Along with that, add quarter cup of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of almond butter. You can use peanut butter as well. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and a pinch of salt. Blend everything into a smooth and creamy paste as shown in the video. Transfer the batter to a baking pan or bowl lined with parchment paper. You can garnish the top with chopped walnuts and dark chocolate chips, which are completely optional. Meanwhile, preheat the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Place the baking pan in the air fryer and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is well baked. Allow the brownies to cool completely. Once cooled, place them in the refrigerator before slicing. These brownies are very soft, so make sure they are fully chilled before cutting. Your fudgy sweet potato brownies are now ready to serve. They are made without egg, sugar or flour and are completely gluten-free and healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.